So hi, I am Rathod Nitesh. We are explaining the experiment setup which we are held our last week lab. We are connected the resistor and to the LDR. The full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. So now we are trying to measure the intermediate voltage between the resistor and LDR using the as you can see, the average value of sine wave increases if we decrease the wave of the light ambient, and if we decrease if we have the light source. I am explaining the principle of measurement. As we can see here, the light independent resistant into the circuit, and it is also known as photoresistor. The principle of the circuit is that resistance of a light depends upon the intensity of light, and on increasing the positive present in the components of the materials makes the transition to make the conductivity both as a constant. When the intensity of a light increases, the conductivity of a materials decreases. So the resistance of a light depends upon the decreasing of the wavelength of the light which are spotted on it, and so the resistance of the light depends. So hence the out of the captured by the Arduino, we find that the frequency of sinusoidal function turns out of the 100 volts, and these are made up of semiconductor material.
I'm Ganesh. Today I'm explaining about description of this experiment. Yeah, first and at the resistance is connected to the plus 5 volts at the Arduino. Second resistance is connected to the LDR, and LDR is connected to the ground. Here between LDR and resistors we connect a long pin for the measurement, and both the terminals are connected to the opposite of both resistors. Terminal and resistance are based on the light appeared on the LDR.
Hi, I am Chinti. Let me discuss about practical application at LDR. LDR meaning light depends registration. Light depends registration can be used to automatic brown green alarms set should be shuttled as the light depends resistance it exposed along with the small lights. And now the shades at light falls at the LDR, the resistance across will change, and these change are called as a alert alarm system. These are also used like motion direction for the directions, automatically street lights.